Welcome to the weekly weather briefing from the National Weather Service in Spokane. My name is Greg Cook. This briefing covers the expected weather for the week of Monday, April 1st through Monday, April 8th, 2013. Forecasts are subject to change, so please do not use this presentation after 6 a.m. Tuesday, April 2nd. Here's the overview of the weather through the end of the week. A continuation of the warm and mainly dry weather is expected through Wednesday. Temperatures the last several days have been well above average, and that trend will continue through Wednesday. A weather pattern change will arrive on Thursday, bringing a good chance of rain to the region late in the day. For Friday and Saturday, there is a good chance of showers. Thunderstorms may be a possibility Friday afternoon and again Saturday afternoon. There is a good chance that Friday and Saturday will be breezy as well. Sunday and Monday will be cooler, with temperatures falling back to near average for this time of year. Our temperatures have been much warmer than average the last several days, and that trend will continue through at least Wednesday. Today, that's Monday, will likely be the warmest day this week, and should be the warmest day of the season for many areas of the inland Northwest. This graphic shows the forecast high temperatures for today and their departure from average. So for Spokane, the forecast high temperature for Monday is 69 degrees, which is 16 degrees above the average. The warm weather will continue through Wednesday or Thursday of this week. This graph shows the 7-day forecast for Spokane. The solid red line is the graph of the forecast high temperature for Spokane the next 7 days. We are looking for highs in the 60s through at least Thursday. The red dashed line is the average high for this time of year, which is in the mid-50s. Wetter and cooler weather will arrive the end of the week. The green bars on the lower right-hand part of the screen show precipitation chances Thursday through the weekend. Warm weather followed by a good chance of rain late this week will cause us to turn our attention to area rivers and streams. They will be rising this week. This map is an estimate of snow melt from Thursday through Sunday. The orange and red colors on this map indicate as much as an inch to an inch and a half of snow melt from Thursday through Sunday over the mid-elevations of the Idaho Panhandle, as well as northeast and north-central Washington. The gray and white colors are the very high elevations which have yet to experience much significant snowmelt this year. This map suggests a good deal of melting snow over the Coeur d'Alene River Basin and the St. Joe River Basin in the Idaho Panhandle. The Grand Ronde River is fed by melting snow in the mountains of Oregon and southeast Washington, so the Grand Ronde is another river to watch. These hydrographs show river forecast for the next 7 days. The blue curves are the observed river levels over the last few days, and the purple dotted traces are the river forecasts. The additional snowmelt through Thursday will lead to more rises on these rivers. With the rainfall expected Thursday through Saturday, the rivers are expected to rise further. Although, with the accompanying cooler temperatures, there will be less snowmelt contributing to the runoff by the weekend. With the uncertainty of the location and amount of the heaviest rainfall with the storms, there is some uncertainty in the river forecast through Thursday through the Saturday periods. The Grand Ronde River at Troy is the lower left-hand graph on this screen. It's expected to be within 1.5 feet of flood stage by the weekend, and the Coeur d'Alene River at Cataldo is forecast to rise to within 3 feet of flood stage. Check back daily for the latest river forecasts for this period. Based on today's weather and the river forecast, the St. Joe and St. Mary's rivers will see significant rises from snowmelt and rainfall this week. Be sure to check back daily for the latest river forecasts. So how does this season's snowpack compare to the average? This map shows the percentage of average snow water equivalent, or the water trapped in the mountain snow. High elevation snowpack in the eastern Cascades and the northern Idaho Panhandle is pretty close to average. eastern Washington, the central Idaho Panhandle, and the Canadian portions of the Kootenai Basin are slightly below average for snowpack. Compared to the last two high water years, this season is much closer to normal. The 8 to 14 day forecast or outlook from the Climate Prediction Center is valid April 9th through the 15th. This outlook is good news for the rivers. The outlook for next week is for at or below average temperatures with near average chances for precipitation. If this forecast verifies, we should see rivers recede much of next week. In summary, our warm and mainly dry weather will continue through Wednesday. A wetter and breezy weather pattern will arrive Thursday through Saturday. Our recent warm weather, followed by a good chance of rain later in the week, will bring rises to area rivers and streams. We urge you to monitor river forecasts over the next several days, since these forecasts are subject to change. Cooler weather is expected next week and should bring river levels down. If you would like to give us some feedback on our presentation, please send us an email. We're always looking to make these presentations better. Here is how you can stay informed and get the latest information from the National Weather Service in Spokane. Our forecasts and products are available on our website, weather.gov/Spokane. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, and subscribe to our briefings on YouTube. And as always, you can listen to NOAA Weather Radio. Thank you for tuning in for this weekly weather briefing. And reminder, please do not use this information after 6 a.m. on Tuesday, March 26th.